Ever wonder which kitchen gadgets are actually worth buying? Today, I'm sharing the 20 must-have kitchen gadgets I bought on Amazon that completely changed the way I cook. From futuristic tools to clever, time-saving accessories, these picks aren't just fun. They're designed to upgrade your kitchen game. Stick around as we explore gadgets you can customize, enhance, and turn into must-have essentials for every home chef. Let's dive in. Number 1. Aroma Housewares. Rice cooker. Make perfect rice effortlessly every time with the Aroma Housewares rice cooker. Whether it's white, brown, or flavored rice, this cooker delivers consistent, fluffy results without standing over the stove. Ideal for meal prepping, family dinners, or quick weeknight meals, it simplifies cooking and saves time. Compact, easy to use, and reliable. It's a must-have for every kitchen. Don't miss out. These deals are limited. Click the link in the description and upgrade your cooking routine today. Number 2. Chichaus Uncrustable Sandwich Maker. Transform boring sandwiches into fun, portable meals with the Chichaus Uncrustable Sandwich Maker. Perfect for quick breakfasts, lunches, or snacks, it seals your favorite ingredients neatly inside bread while cutting off the crust. Easy to clean, kid-friendly, and fast to use, it turns ordinary sandwiches into perfectly shaped, ready-to-go meals. Great for school lunches, picnics, or busy mornings. Limited time deals are active now. Click the link in the description and grab yours before it sells out. Number 3. KitchenAid Ultra Power Hand Mixer. Whip, beat, and mix with the total precision using the KitchenAid Ultra Power Hand Mixer. Lightweight but incredibly powerful, it handles everything from batters to dough without straining your hands. Multiple speed settings ensure the perfect texture every time, making baking and cooking simpler and faster. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for home cooks who demand quality and convenience. Deals like this won't last. Click the link in the description now and upgrade your kitchen today. Number 4. NutriBullet Personal Blender, 600 watts. Make smoothies, shakes, and fresh drinks in seconds with the NutriBullet Personal Blender, 600 watts. Compact, powerful, and easy to clean, it's perfect for busy mornings or post-workout fuel. Blend fruits, veggies, or protein powders effortlessly for consistent, smooth results every time. Its portable design means you can take your nutrition on the go. Don't wait to simplify healthy living. Limited time deals are active. Click the link in the description and grab your personal blender today. Number 5. Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Air Fryer. Cook crispy, golden meals with less oil using the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Air Fryer. Fry, bake, roast, or reheat with consistent results every time, making mealtime healthier and easier. Large capacity lets you cook family-sized portions fast, and intuitive controls make it effortless to operate. Perfect for busy households or anyone who loves convenience without sacrificing taste. Limited time deals are going fast. Click the link in the description and grab your air fryer today. Number 6. Ovente Immersion Hand Blender. Simplify soups, sauces, and smoothies with the Ovente Immersion Hand Blender. Its powerful motor blends directly in bowls, pots, or pitchers, saving cleanup time and counter space. Perfect for creamy soups, smoothies, baby food, or sauces, it's fast, efficient, and easy to control. Lightweight and comfortable, it's a must-have for everyday cooking. Don't miss out on this kitchen essential. Limited time pricing is live. Click the link in the description and get yours today. Number 7. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. Enjoy healthier fried favorites with the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. Its digital controls make cooking easy, while adjustable temperature and multiple presets let you fry, bake, roast, and reheat effortlessly. Crispiness without excess oil makes meals delicious and guilt-free. Perfect for family dinners, quick snacks, or meal prep, it's a smart kitchen upgrade. These deals are limited. Click the link in the description and bring home this versatile air fryer today. Number 8. Comfee Stainless Steel Electric Kettle Boil. Water fast and safely with the Comfee Stainless Steel Electric Kettle. Perfect for tea, coffee, instant meals, or hot beverages. It delivers speed and precision with automatic shutoff and boil dry protection. Sleek, durable, and easy to use, it's ideal for busy mornings or home offices. Stop waiting for the stovetop and simplify your kitchen routine. Limited time deals are active now. Click the link in the description and upgrade your kettle today. Number 9. Ecolution Micro Pop Microwave Popper. Pop perfect, fluffy popcorn in minutes with the Ecolution Micro Pop Microwave Popper. No oil, no mess, and fully reusable. It's perfect for movie nights, snacks, or healthy treats. Its simple design saves time while delivering consistent results every batch. Compact, eco-friendly, and easy to clean, it's a smart addition for any kitchen. Limited time pricing won't last. Click the link in the description now and grab yours today for effortless snacking. Number 10. Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper. Make movie theater popcorn at home with the Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper. Quick, easy, and healthy, it pops kernels without oil, creating fluffy, delicious popcorn in minutes. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for families, dorms, or snack lovers who want convenience with great taste. Easy cleanup and fast results make it a must-have gadget. Don't wait for this deal to expire. Click the link in the description now and elevate your snack game today. Number 11. John Boo's Wooden Walnut Cutting Board. Upgrade your prep game with the John Boo's Wooden Walnut Cutting Board. Durable, gorgeous, and knife-friendly. It's perfect for chopping, slicing, and serving. Its rich walnut finish adds style to your kitchen while resisting wear and tear. Ideal for daily cooking, meal prep, or entertaining guests, it combines beauty and practicality effortlessly. Limited time deals are live, so don't wait. Click the link in the description and bring home this must-have kitchen essential today. Number 12. Cuisinart Food Processor. Make chopping, slicing, and shredding effortless with the Cuisinart Food Processor. From prepping vegetables to making dough or sauces, it saves time and energy while delivering consistent results. Powerful, versatile, and easy to clean, it's perfect for busy cooks or anyone who loves efficiency in the kitchen. Stop struggling with manual prep. This gadget simplifies everything. Deals won't last forever, so click the link in the description and grab yours before it's gone. Number 13. YOSUKATA Carbons. Steel wok pan. Elevate your stir-fry and Asian-inspired dishes with the YOSUKATA Carbon Steel Wok Pan. It heats quickly, distributes heat evenly, and gives food that perfect sear and flavor. Lightweight, durable, and easy to handle, it's ideal for both beginners and seasoned chefs. From vegetables to meats and noodles, it handles it all. Don't miss out on upgrading your cooking game. Limited time deals are available now. Click the link in the description and grab this essential pan today. Number 14. Le Creuset Round-Wide Dutch Oven. Cook hearty soups, stews, and braises with ease using the Le Creuset Round-Wide Dutch Oven. Its heavy-duty construction retains heat beautifully, delivering rich, flavorful meals every time. Elegant, durable, and perfect for everyday use or entertaining, it's a must-have for serious home chefs. Save time and energy with its versatile design, making cooking stress-free and enjoyable. Limited time deals won't last. Click the link in the description and bring this premium Dutch oven home today. Number 15. Lodge Iron Dutch Oven with lid, perfect for slow-cooked meals. The Lodge Iron Dutch Oven with lid delivers consistent, even heating for soups, stews, and casseroles. Its heavy cast iron construction ensures durability, while the versatile lid doubles as a skillet. Ideal for beginners or seasoned chefs, it's a reliable, long-lasting kitchen companion. Say goodbye to uneven cooking and hello to stress-free meals. Deals are limited, so click the link in the description now and upgrade your cookware today. Number 16. Escali Primo Digital Food Scale. Get precise measurements every time with the Escali Primo Digital Food Scale. Perfect for baking, portion control, and meal prep, it ensures accuracy with a sleek, easy-to-read display. Lightweight, compact, and durable, it simplifies kitchen tasks and reduces guesswork. Whether you're following recipes or tracking calories, it's a must-have tool for every kitchen. Limited time deals are active. Click the link in the description and grab yours today to take the guesswork out of cooking. Number 17. Vitamix Grade Blender. Blend like a pro with the Vitamix Grade Blender. From smoothies to soups, nut butters to sauces, it handles everything effortlessly. Powerful, durable, and consistent, it ensures smooth, creamy results every time. Perfect for busy mornings, meal prep, or culinary experiments, it makes healthy living and gourmet cooking easier than ever. Don't miss out on this high-performance tool. Limited time pricing won't last. Click the link in the description and elevate your kitchen today. Number 18. KitchenAid Tilt Head. Stand mixer, mix, knead, and whip like a professional with the KitchenAid Tilt Head Stand Mixer. From baking bread to whipping creams, it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease and consistency. Versatile attachments make it perfect for everything from pasta to cookies. Durable, stylish, and efficient, it's a must-have for any passionate cook. Don't miss your chance to own this iconic kitchen tool. Limited time deals are live. Click the link in the description and bring one home today. Number 19. AOSION Deep Fryer Basket. Make frying safer, easier, and cleaner with the AOSION Deep Fryer Basket. Perfect for French fries, chicken, or snacks, it fits most fryers and ensures even cooking. Heat-resistant, sturdy, and convenient, it saves cleanup time and prevents messes. Ideal for home chefs who love fried favorites without hassle. It's a smart kitchen upgrade. Deals won't last forever, so click the link in the description now and grab your deep fryer basket today. Number 20, KitchenVentions. Pan Buddy, Pan handle hot pans safely with the KitchenVentions Pan Buddy Pan Handle. It grips securely, prevents burns, and makes lifting heavy cookware stress-free. Perfect for skillets, pans, or Dutch ovens, it ensures safety without sacrificing control or comfort. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use, it's a must-have tool for every kitchen. Limited time deals are active, so don't wait. Click the link in the description and grab your Pan Buddy today to cook with confidence. Thanks for watching. These must-have gadgets make cooking easier, faster, and more fun. Don't miss out. These deals are only available for a limited time. Click the links in the description now and upgrade your kitchen today for stress-free, delicious meals every single day.